वाला है और वो हमें आपकी
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we have come to Kashmir with some of our friends for a vacation and we are going to be vlogging our experience. So our trip started last night when we took a flight from Goa, where we live, to Bombay, and then from Bombay to Srinagar we reached today morning. So this is our day 1 in Srinagar, and now I guess we are going to go sightseeing. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel. So we are finally here at the 2021 Tulip Festival, and look at the variety of tulips and the variety of tulip colors you have here. There are like almost all colors of tulips available here, and it's very pretty. So there are a variety of colors, as I told you. So there is white tulip as well. This is the most beautiful one I've ever seen. It's very pretty. So this is a different variety of tulip that is available here. Like this is one type and this is the other type. So they are all very pretty. So this place is very beautiful for clicking pictures, as you have a scenic background with these beautiful mountains. So here are some of the pictures we clicked. So after the tulip gardens, we have come to one more special garden, that is the Mughal Gardens. So there is a tree here which sheds its leaves or flowers, and when the leaves fall, it becomes a nice backdrop for clicking pictures. So after visiting the Mughal gardens, we have come to this beautiful Nishat garden. So these are the typical Mughal style fountains. These are very beautiful actually. These are like lotuses on water, and then there is a fountain coming. So for the last garden of the day, we have come to Shalimar Garden, and so there are these beautiful carvings, or rather let's call it paintings, in this castle, in that small castle. So these are of the Mughal times, and then there is a fountain too. This is like the most pretty fountain I've seen, okay? Like, very pretty. So now it is day 2, and today we are going to go to Pahalgam, which is a 2-hour trip from Srinagar. So we have this tempo traveler here where our group will be going, and we will see the ponies, we will ride ponies, we will see the beautiful meadows there. It's a very beautiful journey from the bus, like from the tempo traveler to Pahalgam. Like on the way we can see beautiful sceneries and all. So it is very windy here. Like see, we have come to buy kesar. So as you know, Kashmir is famous for kesar and dry fruits. We have come to this beautiful shop where different varieties of spices, kesar and dry fruits are available. So we are having kahwa, that is the traditional tea or chai of Kashmir. So it has a mixture of spices, dry fruits and mostly kesar. is really delicious. They have these small badam ka pieces.
Badam kesar.
Yeah, badam, kesar, and other spices. It's very, very tasty. And on a cold day, this is excellent. This is the store that we have come to. It is en route Pahalgam. So if you come to Kashmir sometime, you can buy it from here. The products here are very nice. So 2 years back there was a Pulwama attack here, and this is the district where it happened. So we have reached Pahalgam, and now we are going to a place called Mini Switzerland, riding a pony. So before that we have come to eat lunch at this beautiful restaurant. So now I'm sitting on a horse. So now we are going somewhere here in Mini Switzerland. So for that we have to sit on horses. You can see we are sitting on different horses. Now we are passing through this rocky bit, and these horses are so beautiful. They are just going on and on this rocky bit. I can't imagine how, but it's very pleasant. And look at my view, people. Just look at my view. Came to this clearing, and my horse is so good. He knows the way, like where to go. It's like beautifully trained. So now we are in this beautiful meadow where you can see sheep in the distance. Look at them, so cute. So all these are sheep. So we are finally in Mini Switzerland after a 1 hour ride on the horse, and this is it. This is Mini Switzerland. The meadows, the mountains in the background, a mad kid running. Hey! Palla! Palla! ये काय? नाला! काय जाऊ ना? So my mom and dad are clicking like coupley, romantic, cheesy, cringy photos here. Very, very novel and good photos.
Take sir. ऐसे गिरो. Very good. ऐसे हाथ. Very good. आप नहीं sir.
We didn't know there was wet mud over there, and I and Ishan just ran down like we showed you in the video, and Ishan just fell in the mud, and his jacket got wet, his shoes got wet, everything in mud, even his gloves. Look at his face. So everything is like wet. His gloves and his socks and his like pants are like they're so muddy. Like my mom shouted at us so bad, and now because it was my mistake, I had to give him my jacket and my gloves. And this is a very nice girl's jacket. You know. Now we are speaking to Mr. Abil. He is the organizer of this group on behalf of Goa Adventure Club. Please say.
Yeah, so I would like to say that this is the best group, very cooperative, and we've come to this beautiful place in Pahalgam. It is also known as the Mini Switzerland, and I'm falling short of words right now, but this is just beautiful. This is one of the best places in India and a must visit place. And it is about to rain, so I think we should leave now, and I think we should take the camera towards everyone.
Yes. Kashmir, and today we are going to see snow. So this is my favorite part. Today we are going to go in Gulmarg, and I am going to make a snowman and throw big snowballs on theatre. So now we are, I guess, 30 minutes away from Gulmarg, and it is like 4 degrees over there. That is the lowest temperature I've ever been in. So it will be very cold, and here it is mandatory to wear gumboots. So we have taken gumboots from rent from a local shop, and I have worn my gumboots, as you can see. So these are my gumboots, and I have taken this bhade ka jacket, which is like supposed to keep me warm. And Ishan and my parents and our other friends are wearing so cold, wearing gumboots and jackets there. Wait, I'll show you all. So here, this is the shop we are buying it from, and there are like many shops here. So they are all wearing gumboots and jackets and stuff. We are in Gulmarg now, and we have seen the snow. So we have to go in gondola, this cable car ride, to see the more prominent snow. Here there is snow here, but it's like mostly dirty snow. It's like muddy snow, and it's slightly brown in color. So we want to go there, where there is more whiter snow, better snow. See, look at the view here. We can see snow, no doubt, but it's like not very nice snow. It is just a little bit of snow. So we have to go there on top, on a cable car, that is gondola. We are still in the queue to the gondola ride, and look at the people who are coming here. Like, there are so many people. So we have finally come to the end of the queue, and these are our gondolas. We will be sitting in them. So this is how they work in a chain system. इधर कौन रहता है?
ये shepherd cottages है, यहाँ पे shepherd वाला लोग रहते हैं, जो sheep वगैरह पालते हैं ना यहाँ पे.
So all these are the shepherd cottages for people who take the sheep. Yeah, we are here finally at the phase 1. Look at this, and it's and there, as you can see, it is snowing there. There is some light snowfall. Snowing. It's literally snowing. This is our first time in snow and snowfall. Look at this. It's snowing. Ishan, how are you feeling?
Oh my god, it is
Snowing. Yeah.
Join them.
So Ishan and my mom are going in front, and this is my dad. It's very slippery here, but we're enjoying a lot. It's like full to paisa vasool kind of. Papa, smile. Mar. Hey, Mama, chal mar Ishan. So we are having a little snowball fight here. It's very interesting. You can hear it. It's thundering.
Ishan, see ya. Are you enjoying? How is it?
Okay, smile. So we are back from the snow point and the gondola ride, and see this. Also, Ishan had numb toes. He couldn't enjoy that well. I was going and I was playing with my sister. That time I sat. That time snow went in my gumboots and it started freezing. That's why my legs became numb and I couldn't enjoy properly. So in other states, the chicken lollipop has a cornflour coating, but in Kashmir, this is the traditional chicken lollipop. It's like grayish.
Dhania mutton.
And this is dhania mutton. It is part of the Wazwan dish. So this is what we are trying today out of the Wazwan. Here at Sonmarg and we have stopped for taking some pictures. So this is the glaciers, Sonmarg glaciers. Everything is covered in snow and there is a beautiful stream here. Look at this, it's so pretty. All these are the glaciers. This is the view of the valley. Look at that, there is so much snow on top over there. And there is a little bit of snow this side, so there is a lot of snow here as well. So we reached Sonmarg and this is the view. There is snow literally everywhere. So these are the motorbikes. I'm sitting on this one with an operator and Ishan is sitting on that one. And then that's my mom's smile. This is what it looks like from the motorbike. I'm with an operator. Woo! So this is the point where we have reached. This is the main point in Sonmarg. From there you can see the valley and here you can see the pine trees and there is a small cottage as well here. Very beautiful for clicking pictures. You can see that beautiful mountain in the background. Nice things. So we are in the Shikara boat right now. So now we are in the Shikara ride. It is a traditional Kashmiri ride over the Dal Lake. And that will take us to our houseboats where we will be spending the night. And now we are docked into our houseboat. This is where we will be staying for the night. So this is our houseboat. This is a common living room. It's really very well furnished and pretty. This is the dining table. So nice. So there are many rooms in the houseboat, like each room. And this is our room. So now we are going for a exclusive Shikara ride. The one we took just now was just to get to the houseboat. Now we are taking an extended Shikara ride. They will take us to various points. So these people are here with their stuff, with e-tables. See, there are many mobile shops. We just now saw juice and water bottles and chips and stuff. And then there were fruits, jewelry. There are so many stuff. So many lollipop also are there. Chicken lollipop also had come. So there are like many mobile shops. This is the view. This is the view from the Shikara. See, I told no. See. So these are the houseboats situated on the Dal Lake. There are many houseboats like this spread all over the Dal Lake. Each houseboat has more than 5 rooms in it. It also has a dining room and a lounge area. So this is the side view of a houseboat. Hi. Hi, Floating Bazaar. So this is Meena Bazaar. Meena Bazaar in Kashmir. This is a floating bazaar. So all the shops are just floating on water like the houseboats, and people can visit them through the shikara. So if I want to stop somewhere, I can tell my shikara to stop and then I can buy it. So it is a floating bazaar. So en route airport on our last day, we found this beautiful place. It looks like abroad. It is a clean stretch of land, clean stretch of the lake, where it is excellent for clicking pictures. Like look at this, so pretty early in the morning. Yes, Ishan, get down. So we are all clicking pictures over here.